Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. I'm just doing a quick look at the AMT 1350 scale Klingon Bird of Prey, and as you can see I completed this kit last night. One thing I found disappointing with this kit though was the fact that that it could not be done as a fully lit kit as were the other 1350 kits were. Uh, but as you can see, I managed to do some lighting on this kit, but very limited amount of what I could do with this one in that regards. Yeah, so I just thought I'd put that out there for any builders that were looking at to do this kit and hoping to do it as a fully lit kit. It can be done. It can be done as a fully lit kit if you're willing to put the time and effort into cutting out the various openings for the lights. But for the most part, this one was not set for to be done that way. But explain why the kit only had a skill level rating of 2, and whereas the other kits had a skill level uh, of 4 or 5, so such as the USS Grissom kit, which is the 1350 kit here, as well as the Enterprise kit here, as you can see here. So yeah, so that was a little disappointing in regards to the kits here. But other than that though, the this kit was still pretty. The Klingon Bird of Prey was still a nice kit to do in regards to that. If you were just doing it as a ordinary kit with no lighting or anything in it, it would only take I say a matter of a day or two to complete the kit. Okay, and so that's all I have in that. So thank you for if you have any questions, just let me know. And thank you for watching my channel.